First, top headlines. Implementations of NRC, withdrawal of SU can bring peace in state, says public. Two teenagers run over by a train while they were taking selfies on a railway bridge. And curfew relaxed for Imphal Listener West till 7 p.m. and Bishnupur till 6 p.m. today. Hello, welcome to ELITETV's 3 p.m. English News. I'm your host, Deemita. Now the news in detail. Implementations of NRC and a withdrawal of SU can bring peace and normalcy in the state. This was stated by public as ELITETV took off an initiative with an objective to know the public opinion in order to bring about peace and harmony in the state. Our team visited different places and met the people of different walks of life. Here is a report from our reporter Rishikesh Nauram and camera person Loya Chungkham.
Manipur da hojik thole birang se karamna warosim porpangam gani Manipur da NRC satna halaga warosim porpangam gadra Kuki militant singi su asi withdraw tawba matamda Manipur da warosin asi porpangam gadra natraga Manipur gi pre-merger agreement asi chanhamana fagadra amadi Manipur gi powari da chahi lising ani henbagi powari lejaklaba lamdam asida Tongana Tokhaina separate administration Talakliba Singh Asigi, Makugi Pandam separate administration asi Pibana Fagadra, Hariba Wahang Singasi ELITETVina, Koina Sasaduna, Hangzaraga, Mitsam Miamda, Karim Motley Habagi, Paudum Miam Puna Kaminase. Hoja Hambagi Wahang Singh Imam Dalai Ima Hangzage, Ima Hojik Akogi Manipur Sanalebak Manipur Nena Haineramiko, Adu Hojikti Sanalebak Manipur Sekoi, Mikam Okona Nile Aduga, Lamdamasi, Yumke Amai Hadokabamadi, Mueke Punsizu Pikamna. Aduga haukiba me homdagi horaga ngasi phawda numit yankhaini hela labasi phawda Iran si nimda bago bolaite sidaisida akoi ELITETVina akhana sandokchaba akoi wahang khana dang hangjage imada akoina hangjani wafamje akoigi lamdamasida thole birangje kari solution poraklaga fagani ada wahang jingjina ne Manipur sida NRC je chana halaga fagadra aduga kuki militant singje Moigi Lajariba Suasi, Lainariba Suasi, Akoi withdraw Toroga Fagadra, Aduga pre-merger agreement asi Loktok Laga pre-merger agreement asi Sanarabamatamda Fagadra, Amadi Loina Loina Manipurgi, Puari, Sahi Lising Ani Henbagi Puari Lajar Labalam, the Masida Makoina Tokaina, separate administration, a Kangu Natali, Sigi separate administration asi Pitokaga Fagadra, Ado Kari Tarogati Pagani.
Akoi se horok pache moina kanugi jungi tang ahum dagi moina horok pane rally chatlaga ko rally jabada phogna moi khulai pai basingna khulai bau thangalaga chatle chorsampu da chatpado ko aduge moina maitai gi laisang thugai re maitai jum mai thare maitai myam tale natra adu mai ji behna ba chining da bane loi chena re natra adu moi akoi ne hujik pam ni sidi kuki gi su se kuki ji lai tabam nei bana te akoi angang oi chakama haira khangi moi che ko akoi gi jumphang bai bam nei taba thengmu bada railway station na khangde jingong ki ya na khangde party kom de dangde panglai de le ba kangbu ne ba moi gi oi ba lam leite ba aduduna moi gi su je handokhra ka da in Manipur je santi la kani akoi gi NRC di akoi NRC chana halumbi u haiba gi wa khak tani chana re daga chana da ba ya dre haiba gi amwa order leitri ba adu leiting moi ne irang hauja lei sidi moi namdana khoi lam je mun gi haiba ne ba adu akoi na thaga khiba akoi gi MLA mantri singchina akoi huji akoi Manipur thoi be irang che moina yaring ai namdana ba moina ngamna bo hanaga da bani adu ngamna ba namda khoi na moi bu khubi soi toro thaga khiba ne ba natra adu de moi ngamoi da bo je ka doi bole toi no ba adu si minister su ade sarda go su phil la chat pai matam natre huje Delhi da moi ngamna ba tanaru so ba center da adu nagra du ngamna ba tanaru de oraga de khoi Manipur je separate ai jara ga ha ga do natra adu moina khoi kano si tongana moina India makha da le na moida haibam thoe na haide moina lobi de ga de khoi tongan ta jarage thoin thai da ning thau hak tak tak khoi tongan tan le mitna अदुमाइना ताजरगे चेन हुजिक मणिपुर शांति लेबा हाइबसे सुजे लौथोखिबदा अखोई मैतैना नोंमै कापने ते मोइना चिमथकते कापथरकबनी अखोई दिंगा थोक चबई वानेबा नत्रा अदुना मा तम ऑपरेशन तौबसु तंपाकदा हाना तौवी चिंगा तौदे चिंगदगी खुलाई फागलेसे तारबा चोरचामपुरदगी कुकीना नोंमै कापथरैबा ड्रोन थागतना तौरिबा जुमै थारिबा माइगे सराउंडिंग माइगे मरिसे कोइसलगा मोइ तौरैनेबा अदुदि मोइन मतम कुइना सांगना मोइना नंबर 4 सुंगबा पोपी पाम्बी थाबा दु यादबगी दमक्तनेबा सीएम बिरेना मा प्रजा म्याम से मांग बतारे ना पोपी थाबा थिंगुरे को अदुगी मोइना पोपी से थारगा मोइदि पैसादो म्याम पाइरमना नंबर 4 ओलबनिना खुलाई लेबंगामेबा अखोइ मैतै प्रजादि अदु खल्लुदबिना लेहौद्रेबा खुलाई दि नत्रा अदुना मोइ हुजिचे अखोइना पाम्बे सुचे हंदोखिबा अतै अतै मतुंगी दिना मणिपुर शांति होरा कांता मतै दे मतंगी दि मतम गे माइ लाक्सरनी अदु सुचे हंदोकपसिना खोइना पामजे आदि मोइना खुलाई थारामने खोज हंदाबा नत्रा मोइना नोंमै काथरे खोइ जगोइ सा लेगद्रा हेबा अदु दो मापी मपा ओइबा चिंना खरा खंबी ताबने अदु मोइना हाइनी
एनआरसी चनरगदी खोइ मणिपुर गी सिचुएशन हुजिक ओइरिबा इरांग से फगद्रा हाइबदी होय सिसु एनआरसी चनरगदी फगनी हेना इमाना अहानबा मक्तदा थमगे लोइनाना अखोइना हुजिक ओइरिबा सुजी लौथोखरगसु नत्रगा सुजी यानरगसु मसिगी पॉइंट टू पॉइंट सुदगिने खोइ ngasi क्राइम थोइसे सुजी कमदौना तौनरिनो करी हाइनरिबनो हाइबदो मियामदा खंगन भममजु थोपा अदु खंगनद्रे अदुगा कोइ स्टेट गवर्नमेंट अमदि ना गवर्नमेंट सुरु नैबा पोट अमा लैबसे मनुंगदा करिगुंबा पोट खरा अखोइना ngasi भारत ता तेलिसिदे अखोइगिदि हुजिकी लाइबा सुदा लाइबा मिसिंगसिदि म्यांमार रोमदै लागा तानथोरकपा मोइगी अदुगुंबा रिफ्यूजी सिंगदुना कोइसिदा लैसेलगा मागी होमलैंड तानबनेबा अदो अखोइना पिभम थोकतेबा अखोइगिदि इंडिया गवर्नमेंट अखोइदि हाना लैजबा अखोइगी सेपरेट ओइना निंखातमना लैजरबा मणिपुर नेबा कनामतगी मखा पोंदना अदुबु फरे भारत सरकार दे कोइ मस्तौरे तिंजनगरे यारे अदोदे अखोइसे भारत के नगर अमुक ओइरे से कोइ यारे सिटीजन अमने से अदुबु हंदकी थोइबा खुंगबम सिदगिदि अखोइसी मागी सिटीजन अमुक ओइरे न खल्लगदि करिगिदमक्ता भारत सरकार ना तुमिन्ना लैरिनो हाइबा वहंसे अखोइ मिपुं खुदिमक प्रजा अखोइना हंगनिंगेबा सिगी आंसर ngasi बाउ फंगदेबा अखोइना सुम इमागी ओइना पर्सनली कमेंट पीबा मतमदि अखोइना मोइदा लाइबा सेपरेट तालिबा मिसिंगसे सिदादि लाइफ की ओइना पुंचीगी ओइना अखोइ मोइदा मोइगी सेपरेट ओइबा पीबसे सुंगम मदुदा हेक पीब्राबा भारत सरकार नत्रगा स्टेट सरकार हेक पीबा यावरमबा मिदो कोनने अखोइ सिमिननेबा
मणिपुर से लोरे इबुंगो अखोइ कैथेन से कैथेन मरी लेरिसे पूरा खुंताक लाइसिबा हाइदु ओइरे पूरा पुंताक ताए मी अमता चत्रे लंबीदा मी चत्रे कैथेन दा मी चत्रे तबुदबु अखोइ इमा संगसिना कैथेन दा लेरिसिदि अखोइ योली हाइबदुदा मंगाइरे लेबिबा मी लाक्त्रे अदुना अखोइ याम वारे मणिपुर से अदुगा मणिपुर दा अखोइना पामजरिसे एनआरसी चलहनबा पामी कुकी की सु लोकथोकबा पामी अदुगा लोइना ना सिट हुम्पुसिदा तरा मखाइदोखरसु यांखै अमदि लेरिदना अदुगा मापल अमना सोमदा चलगा वरोइसिनगिदमक्ता मोइ मयाम अमा चखरिदना अदुनसु अफबा कै हाइतारे शांति पुरकपा अफबा अमा पुरकपा ओइसुनु अदुगा लेमहौरिबा खरसिना मोइ हुजि कैदौरिगे करिनो मखोइगी तौफम थोकपा तौरो अदुगा अखोइगी मणिपुर से शांति लेना अमुक्तंग लैबा पामी अदुगा कनागुम मियोइ खरना अखोइ मणिपुर की अपुनबगी सक्तमजिदा तोंगान ताबा पामजरगसु मखोइ मफम अमदा चलगा तोंगान ताबिरुरोबा खोइ मणिपुर की सक्फमजिदी खोइगी लैभमजिदी मेप सिमदी काहेनबसु क्या यारबा हेबसे कैथेन फंबी इमा अमोइना अखोइना अइना हाइजरी अदुगा मखोइना तौदबा यादे तांदबा यादे हाइना तौरक तारगना ओइना तौरकपदो अखोइसु दुम लानथेंनबा ताबनीने नत्रो लान अखोइ हुजी लानथेंनबा नते अखोइना तौरिसिदी मखोइना लान तौरकपदो अखोइना लान ngakjabनेबा द लान ngakjabसिदा मखोइना सुम हेंजलक तारगदी अखोइसु करिनो इमा सिंगसिसु ngaइरिबने अखोइना फम्मिसे कैथेन फम्बा नते
A one-day blood donation camp organized by Manipur Mountaineering and Trekking Association (MMTA) was held at the office of the association at Minuthong today. The camp was held in collaborations with Caesar Hospital and Research Institute Langol and Indian Red Cross Society in Imphal West District. More than 50 blood donors donated blood during the camp. Speaking to media persons, Honorary Secretary of the Association, M. Kumar said the main objective of organizing the blood donation camp is to meet the blood shortage for the casualties in the present war of the integrity of the motherland, Manipur.
Reporting Haujare, Maruina, Quinasi, E. Pizabagi Maramsi, Miam and the Kambibaduni, Muibada is shown a pibirapa gift from a kaglay, Lida by Nakunba. Natraga Madu Magi Dharma Karmagi Wafam Mayam said Hadu Krakanda, New Karakatana, Mikudi Makta, Matiksana, Quida Yorambas, Quigi blood sine. Horrible blessings, Quida Remenoina, Stoke Torgadum, Labagi Mahuta, award for missing the Masigi deficiency or Darkaroba, missing Sida, blood people Hivasina, Quimio, mankind, Quidagi Choba, Mating, and Eloze, Lunanangasi, Manipur the Lagiba, Quigi, territorial integrity, Kaidanava Hunaba. State Sigi, Imali Paksi, Mapum when a Tamnanabgi Lanjanga, Kenariba, Lantings, Deda, Hawaii Ponta, Pikiba Mayamama, Aso Panangiba Mayamama, Hariba Mayam Sideda, Igi Darkaroiba, or Passing Se, Sideda, Manipur Mountaineering and Trekking Association, Luina, Red Cross, Indian Red Cross Society, Imphal West District, Bransky, volunteer sings in a Piba, Isina, Miamda, Karado, Regosu, Igi, what Passe Mating Pang, but we soon have a Wapam Sigaluina. Si Sumaina Quay, Lady Ba, Tangu Laita Daba, Lapaxigi Weba, Jose Tariba, Queda Yamna, uncertainty Weba, Sigum Lava, Tong Singase, Asi Yamna, two of the Lucian Biduna, Sorgi Togandagi, Inkta Pahanagi Punchi, Main, the Muglak Boys, and I have a Manipur Mountaineering and Trekking Association, Luna, Indian Red Cross Society, Imphal West District Bransky, my head the no look check.
As the law and order situation has been improved gradually in Imphal West and the West districts, curfew has been relaxed till 7 p.m. in both the districts today. However, in Bishnupur district, curfew has been relaxed till 6 p.m. today. Markets and shops were open during the curfew relaxation in the three districts. People rushed to market and shops to purchase essential items during curfew relaxation. Traffic was seen as normal as before on the roads. Two teenagers aged 16 and 19 were run over by a train while they were taking selfies on a railway bridge in the Roorkee town of Uttarakhnd's Haridwar. The accident occurred on Saturday evening. The teenagers died on the spot after they were knocked down by the Delhi-Dehradun Shatabdi Express when they were taking selfies on the Dosni railway bridge. Between 2011 and 2022, 69,303 Indians surrendered their passports at regional passport offices as per RTI reply received by the Indian Express. 8 states or union territories that accounted for 90% of people who surrendered passports include Goa 40.45%, Punjab, Gujarat, Maharashtra, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Delhi and Chandigarh. Over 16 lakh Indians renounced citizenship in last 10 years, government said. Reacting sharply to Union Home Minister Amit Shah's assurance that he would take charge of the prevailing situation in the hill districts, while Chief Minister N. Biren would handle the situation in the valley districts, the All Manipur United Clubs organization AMUCO has asserted that the Union Home Minister's arrangement is a clear testimony of setting up 2 or more separate administration in Manipur a bit tacitly. Expressing strong reservation against certain statements made by the Union Home Minister on several occasions with regard to the prevailing crisis, AMUCO decried that the Government of India has been playing communal politics and divisive game all along while conveniently overlooking the real causes of the present crisis. Amit Shah's statement and action have made it clear that he had no intention to resolve the crisis in any time soon. AMUCO said, For a very long time, the government of India was acting as a silent spectators to all kinds of extreme violence and mayhem unleashed by Kuki militants in blatant violations of the Sioux ground rules. The government of India was acting mute and blind to the unprovoked aggression launched by Kuki militants from Myanmar who are not partly to the Sioux pack, according to the statement issued by Amuko. Amit Shah is the Home Minister of the whole of India. As such, he should not just choose to oversee the affairs only in the hills of Manipur. He should take the responsibility of solving the crisis in the whole of Manipur, said the Coordinating Committee on Manipur Integrity, Kokomi, yesterday. The statement of Kokomi came after Chief Minister N. Biren briefed the media about the meeting he had in Delhi with Union Home Minister Amit Shah. Briefing the media, Chief Minister N. Biren Singh had reportedly said that the Union Home Minister has advised him to oversee the situation or solve the issue in the valley, while he, Amit Shah, will take the responsibility of overseeing the situation in the hills to bring peace. Reacting to this, the Coordinating Committee on Manipur Integrity, Kokomi, said dividing the valley and hills and splitting of the responsibilities is not the right path to bring peace in Manipur. The Union Home Minister must have given advice on a positive note to end the crisis, but it has created unrest and confusion among the people. This ambiguity has made the public question the intention of the government. The public have started asking whether this arrangement is the precursor to the possible creation of a separate administration within Manipur, said Kokomi. DM College of Science Alumni Association has urged authorities concerned to trace the whereabouts of Atom Somarendro Apik and Yumkhaipam Kiran of Khumbong Bajar, who are missing since May 6. A. Somarendro is a member of the DM College of Science Alumni Association 1995-98 batch. He served during the COVID-19 pandemic as a frontline warrior, delivering essential items and medicine to affected people in the different areas of hills and the valley. He also worked as sub-editor of the Sangai Express with dedications and secretary of Imphal West Students Club, Khumbong. Both Somarendro and Kiran were active members of the Khumbong Club, working with dedication for bringing development in the region. They were social workers and enthusiasts who encouraged children to study and pursue sports, said the Alumni Association. The association urged authorities and the group concerns to consider the grief and pain of the family members and urged them to trace the whereabouts of the two persons. Two more persons died in the last 24 hours, even as the flood situation across Assam has seen a marginal improvement. With this, the death toll in the floods that year has risen to 5. According to the Assam State Disaster Management Authority, ASDMA report issued on Monday, a total of 1,15,596 people are still affected in 11 districts of the state. The flood-affected districts of Assam are Bajli, Baksha, Barpeta, Darang, Dibrugarh, Golaghat, Kamrup, Lakhimpur, Nagaon, Nalbari and Tumulpur. The two deceased persons hail from Barpeta district. The ASDMA report said, altogether, 563 villages in 23 revenue circles continue to reel under waters. Barpeta is the worst affected district with 87,232 people still affected, followed by Bajli with 44,617 people and Lakhimpur with 17,086 people still under the flood. The authorities are running 99 relief camps and distribution centers in 8 districts where 2,915 people are currently seeking shelter. A total crop area of 3,801.63 hectares continue to be under flood waters, the ASDMA said. On the other hand, no river is currently flowing above the danger level. National Security Advisor Ajay Doval met the top leadership of Oman yesterday and discussed ways to strengthen and bolster cooperation in economy, technology, security and regional stability. During his official visit to Oman, NSA called on Sultan Hatim bin Tariq and delivered a personal message of greetings from Prime Minister Narendra Modi. He also held wide-ranging discussions with Minister of the Royal Office General Sultan bin Mohammed Al Nomani Omani and Foreign Minister of the Sultanate of Oman, Saeed Badar bin Hamad Al Busaidi. According to the External Affairs Ministry, the visit of Mr. Doval reflects the strong bilateral relationship between India and Oman and highlights India's commitment to strengthening its strategic partnership with Oman. The visit provided an opportunity for high-level engagement and further cemented the strong bonds of friendship between India and the Sultanate of Oman. And now let's take a short break. Stay tuned for more updates.
Welcome you all to UNACO College, Kongman, Imphal East, an exclusive co-educational college offering both BA and BAc courses. UNACO College will be affiliated to Manipur University, Kanchipur. First academic session will begin in July 2023. Hurry up! Registrations and admissions open for 2023-24 academic session.
Diabetes ka loina na hinglibusing tha amagi manungda fahanba ngamle. Khong hamba nungai tabasu numit manga nigi manungda fahanba ngamle. Piles haibadi nungsang nabasu chama da chama fahanba ngamle. Cholesterol wangba numit kunida normal oina lehenba ngamle. BP wangbasu tha amagi manungda normal da lehenba ngamle. Pumnamak natural oiba anoba hidak makal singna laying jabani. Haksang da sokadaba side effect amata leite. Makatana hidak chabagi mathausu tararoi. Ako pamorol gidamak na simaglengsin bidau Diabetes Hospital, Jenims Road near Punjab National Bank, Porompat.
Admission open, admission open. Manipur ki mapanda satrabasu yaraba best quality education ga loinana Saraswati Institute of Management and Paramedical Science pangai. Manipur University da affiliated toba Indian Nursing Council amadi Pharmacy Council of India na recognized tawraba college asida chaliba academic session asigi akagnaba sitma singi admission hojare. Coursing adudi BSc Nursing, Diploma in Pharmacy, Bachelor of Pharmacy, BSc Forensic Science, BSc Radiology and Imaging Technology, BSc RIT, BSc Medical Laboratory Technology, BSc MLT, amadi BSc Operation Theatre Technology Operation, BSc OTT, hariba coursing asigi scholarship ki kudong saba su pangbigani, amadi meritorious students singi oiba tongan ba kudong saba mayam amalegani. Akopo morog dama 9856575163. College address Pangai opposite MPTC da lengbiraktuna ngasimak kudong saba silowiu. Admission open, admission open. Kosem da affiliate tawraba Oripo Coach namle kai Kangsuk Road leiba Competitive Success Academy gi academic session 2023-24 gi class 11 science ki admission hojare. School asi experience oiraba maming leiraba oza singna satra satri singbo takpi tambiri. ISE 2023 mai pak ngamlakraba satra satri singbo school asi ki mai kai dagi nungai ba phongdorakle. Admission fee hana lupa lising tara oiramba adu leiba ki irang na kudong sadaba singi yenglaga lupa lising mga khaktamak oiragani. Adum oinamak relief camp to leiba satra singi oina lemna mahitamba ki kudong saba su pizari. Special features ta medical amadi engineering tamningba satra singi su kudong saba kaya ama pizari. Audio visual class, biometric attendance system, asonba satra singi oiba extra class, separate hostels for boys and girls, bus amazung van service ki kudong saba pizari. Nasibag lengsin biro Competitive Success Academy Oripo Koshnam Lekay Imphal. 40 years of trusted diagnostic service, Babina Diagnostics.
Welcome back again. You're watching ELITETV's 3 p.m. English News. A syndicate of 569 fake firms used for passing on fraudulent tax credit of Rs 1,047 crore has been busted in Delhi, the Finance Ministry said. Directorate General of GST Intelligence busted the syndicate, which was operating in 14 states and had issued invoices worth Rs 6,022 crore to over 2,000 beneficiary firms. Delhi-based 30-year-old Rasab Jain was the syndicate's mastermind. Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma has advised the medical fraternity not to use tools for ChatGPT immediately. To treat a person with the help of ChatGPT, you will need some kind of legal sanction because it may lead to some problems, Sarma added. He further said that he also uses the tool sometimes but doesn't always get a desired result. The World Economic Forum (WEF) has released a list of 2023's top 10 emerging technologies that are most likely to impact people and the planet in 3 to 5 years. The list includes wearable plant sensors, sustainable aviation fuels, sustainable computing, generative AI and AI in healthcare, metaverse for health, mental health, flexible batteries and flexible neural electronics are some of the other emerging technologies. Manipur Governor Anushya Ukhi called on President of India Draupadi Murmu at Rashtrapati Bhavan in New Delhi on Monday evening and apprised her about the prevailing situation in Manipur. A release by the Raj Bhavan stated that the governor briefed the president about various incidents which have taken place in the state and discussed improving the situation to restore peace and normalcy. She apprised the president about her visits to various relief camps in Imphal, Bishnupur and Churachandpur districts at which she interacted with the displaced victims, it mentioned. It maintained that the governor also informed the president about the steps taken up by the union and state government to provide relief materials to the displaced people. Issues relating to resettlement or rehabilitation of the violence-affected people and education of students were also discussed in the meeting, it added. Monsoon has covered nearly 80% of the countries as most of the parts are witnessing heavy rainfall. The Indian Meteorological Department IMD has forecast that active monsoon conditions are likely to continue over East Central, Northwest and West India during the next 4 days. According to IMD, the southwest monsoon advanced with some more parts of Rajasthan, Gujarat, Haryana and Punjab yesterday. Conditions are favorable for further advance of southwest monsoon within some more parts of Gujarat, Rajasthan and remaining parts of Haryana and Punjab by tomorrow. IMD has predicted heavy to very heavy rainfall over East Rajasthan during the next 3 days. Heavy to very heavy rainfall is likely in Uttarakhand and Himachal Pradesh. The Met Department said Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh and Vidarbha region will witness light and moderate rainfall with isolated heavy rainfall. Isolated heavy to very heavy rainfall is likely over Kerala and Mahe today. And now let's take a short break again. Stay tuned for more updates.
Admission open. Manipur University Kanchipur gi manakta leba Temple of Learning Toll amasung Temple of Learning Degree College ki 2023-2024 gi admission tawjari. 11 class Science, Arts amasung Commerce. Degree College ki na General Course ta BA amasung BSc, Professional Degree Course ta BBA amasung BCA ni. CCTV camera na monitor tawraba classroom amadi campus matik charaba playground, well equipped tawraba Science, Arts amasung laboratory taret. Lising kaya gi larik leraba library ahum quality education bu pamjaba mairoi sing mama mapa amasung guardian singna athubada mingchan bi ho sit akaknabani selection test leiroi ahan lakpada kudong sab pizegani agopa marol office dagi mobile website amadi online kuthang dagi phangbigani.
Admission open, R&T Institute and Aviation Academy ke lakato session 2023-24 ke admission hausare. Institute as the Ministry of Corporate Affairs Government of India na well recognized tauraba amati 5 years service complete oiraba Manipur da amatangairaba Air Hostess Training Institute amani. Class 12 pass tauraba mahairoi singna tungi afaba career amati aviation industry da changningba singna mingchan biba yaragani. Male and female punna apply tauba yaraba 10 to 15 years flying experience lairaba trainer singna train tauriba 100+ students placement pikraba institute asida tongan ba course singi khudong chaba leijari. Coursing atudi international air hostess training, airport operation and staff training, ground handling loina soft skill, career counseling, interview skill, spoken English and Hindi, grooming, guest lecturer session, resume making, mock interview, service classes, first aid, interview preparation, Zumba class, swimming class amadi, airport visits. Institute asiki staff singa loinana placement assistance ki damag Imphal amadi atopa state sing da su khudong chaba pizari. Khudong chaba sing asiki damag 12 standard loiraba students sing na institute asida lakpiduna akupa marol tanabiu amadi online inquiry ki damag contact number asida call tawbiduna tanabiu 7005970470 natraga 8132092225.
SS Career Solution na Chahitara Hena Kunai Sida Ladiba Naharol Singbu Achumba Sinfam Mama Kangjana Bagi Kudong Jaba du Mapung Fana Pina Bagi Damak Specialized Oiraba Tim Gaya Semdona Angang Singbu na Ringay Dagi Koiga Jana ba Sinfam Gimaramda Sing na Mari Makong Taktuna Afaba Kunayama Oirak Nabahona Duna Ngasifa Balak Career Solution amagi chap chana guidance thiba haibasi arriba dinate adubu ipurgedi thoina nungsa thiningai oitre SS Career Solution na akaknaba plan amadi expertise singa putsinduna sacha khaknatana community level dagi hauraga adom gi khwaidagi chanaba sinfam adu mai pakna chatnanaba sem sagani aikoigi mamal yamlaba naha singbu tungge chuwalambe lamada lamjing haurasi SS Career Solution na piriba khudong chaba singasi khopna khanta haurasi.
Welcome back again. You're watching ELITETV's 3 p.m. English News. Now the news in detail. Chief Minister of Manipur and Biren Singh today launched a one-time financial assistance for clothing and personal belonging to those living in relief camps by distributing the financial assistance of Rs 1,000 to those persons seeking shelter at Youth Hostel Kumalampak in Fales. Distribution program was also attended by Youth Affairs and Sports Minister Govindas Kontaujam, Member of Parliament Rajya Sabha Maharaj Alexim Pasana Jauba, MLA of Wangoi AC Kuraijam Loken, Chairman Loktak Development Authority M. Asni Kumar, Chairman Manipur Building and Other Construction Workers Welfare Board K. Sarat Kumar, Chief Secretary Dr. Vinit Joshi and other senior government officials among others. Delivering a short speech on the occasion, and Biren Singh expressed sadness on a sudden occurrence of unfortunate incident in the state from 3rd May 2023, which has made many people flee their respective homes. He maintained that the government had been taking all possible steps to provide shelters and temporary housing facilities to the displaced people, informing that temporary housing facilities are being constructed at different suitable places for relocating displaced people. He added that they would stay at the temporary housing facilities till the law and order situation improved and they could return to their earlier respective homes. The Chief Minister appreciated civil society organization, women and government officials of the state for remaining alert and preventing occurrence of the many untoward incidents, thereby saving lives of people. Regarding the financial assistance provided today, he informed that the government, after considering the hardship faced by displaced people, had taken the decisions to provide Rs 1,000 to each person taking shelter at relief camps as one-time financial assistance. The financial assistance will be provided to the respective deputy commissioners of different districts. Chief Minister N. Biren further informed the government and had been putting in very effort to restore peace and normalcy in the state by using its various machineries, adding that security forces have been deployed for guarding places at periphery areas and the people. He urged the public to not believe in rumors and also to stay calm. He also expressed appreciation to the women of the state for their support in bringing the state towards normalcy.
कोई फालिस की इको की करी से कोई सजीवा जेल की मना तब पैसा को हो रहा है हफ्ता दरार इसकी मनुदा कोई संगार का उनके नंदो नंदना बहुत करना होना जरी लेकिन सोशल प्रोग्राम देखिए लापी पर सिंगी दमक तो कोई वाक़ा की मफहूम दमक तो कोई सत्य नहीं है वो रे मतलब जब कोई सेम बस आवो थी हम करना हो रहे मनुदा मतम खरा सोशानपुर की हाना लेना मफहूम दा Hanjan Bayadringai, Samba Saba, Madu Law and Order Nigerian Matam More than Bayadringai, Eco the Bayadringai, temporary neighborhood of Xarise. I am Titan Pibam Pagalapoga Hana Hanagi, Lemanda, Loina, Hanagani, Sosan Purda, Kamupida, Credit Liberi Bashinshu, Hard the Moingi Lake, Sinadum, Lana Bugimagi atmosphere, unlike the map, some of the minary. Masih Baraksida, Aina, Masih Puna, Yanjadi Basinala, Hajarum, Kalimama Angi, P. the Lane a shoe, Purinam the Lane a shoe, Yum Hadoga, Laibanina, Maduki Kudum Sad, but Henry Mayam, Sanjaraga, Pesakana, Mia Mamangi, Quail Palising Mamdi, and Magiway PC had another Lenaga. Relic the under Liberi, but when Hadogala, actually now, Sashing, I am one of the Sigi Matin, see people who
Later, Andrin also visited the 86th Battalion CRPF at Lamphilpat and handed over the one-time financial assistance to those people taking shelter there. The Chief Minister also interacted with the people and further consoled them that normalcy would soon return in the state. India summoned a senior diplomat of the Pakistan High Commission in New Delhi and lodged a strong protest against the recent attacks on Sikh community members in Pakistan. Sources said 4 incidents have taken place between April and June this year, and India has taken serious note of these incidents. Sources said India has demanded the Pakistani authorities investigate these violent attacks on Sikh community with sincerity and shared investigation reports. It has also been conveyed that Pakistan should ensure the safety and security of its minorities who live in a constant fear of religious persecutions. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will flag off 5 Vande Bharat Express trains at Rani Kamlapati Railway Station in Madhya Pradesh today. The 5 trains are Bhopal Rani Kamlapati Indore Vande Bharat Express, Bhopal Rani Kamlapati Jabalpur Vande Bharat Express, Ranchi Patna Vande Bharat Express, Dorad Bengaluru Vande Bharat Express and Madgaon Mumbai Vande Bharat Express. Bhopal Indore Vande Bharat Express will facilitate easy and fast travel between 2 important cities of Madhya Pradesh and will improve the connectivity of the cultural, tourist and religious places in the region. Bhopal Jabalpur Vande Bharat Express will connect Mahakoshal region to the central region of Madhya Pradesh. Also, tourist places in the region will also be benefited by improved connectivity. Ranchi Patna Vande Bharat Express will be the first Vande Bharat for Jharkhand and Bihar. Enhancing connectivity between Patna and Ranchi, the train will be a boon for tourists, students and businessmen. Dharwad Bengaluru Vande Bharat Express will connect Dharwad and Hubballi with Karnataka's capital Bengaluru. It will immensely benefit tourists, students and industrialists in the region. Madgaon Mumbai Vande Bharat Express will be Goa's first Vande Bharat Express. It will run between Mumbai's Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Terminus and Goa's Madgaon Station and help in boosting tourism in both Goa and Maharashtra. In a tweet, Mr. Modi said these trains will improve connectivity in Madhya Pradesh, Karnataka, Maharashtra, Goa, Bihar and Jharkhand. The Prime Minister will also interact with the BJP workers in Bhopal during the visit. In football, India will take on Kuwait in the last Group A game of the Sub Championship at the Sri Kantireva Stadium in Bengaluru today. The match will begin at 7:30 p.m. Indian time. Both sides with 6 points apiece have already qualified for the semi-finals and will face off to determine the Group A topper. Nepal and Pakistan are the other rivals of the Group A. India has been largely impressive in the tournament, defeating Pakistan 4-0 and Nepal 2-0 to maintain a clean sheet so far. Kuwait tries Pakistan 4-0 and Nepal 3-1 in their group matches. Nepal will take on Pakistan in the other Group A fixture today. The game will begin at 3:30 p.m. Indian time. From Group B, Lebanon and Bangladesh registered wins in the second games on Sunday to keep the semi-finals qualifications hopes alive. The ICC has shared a picture of the ODI World Cup trophy in space. The ICC sent the trophy to the space for launching the ICC Men's Cricket World Cup Trophy 2 2023. The trophy was launched into the stratosphere 120,000 feet above the Earth through a stratospheric balloon before making a landing at the Narendra Modi Stadium in Ahmedabad. For ELITETV News channel, connect to the email address info@elitetv.in or 9402890982 and subscribe to ELITETV YouTube channel or follow on Facebook page, Instagram and Twitter for more information about the channel. And now let's take a look at the headlines once again. Implementations of NRC, withdrawal of SU can bring peace in state, says public. Two teenagers run over by a train while they were taking selfies on a railway bridge. And curfew relaxed for Imphal East and West till 7 p.m, Bishnupur 6 p.m. today. And that's all for now. For more updates, keep watching ELITETV English News. Thank you and have a great day.